Hello everyone. Today we will read about Newton's second law of motion. So at first I will tell the definition that what is Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion says that according to Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is what? That you have read in just video, you have read that what is momentum. Momentum is P and it is denoted by P is equals to mv. So it is said that momentum of a body with respect to time is directly proportional to the net external force applied on the body and takes place in the direction of the force. That means momentum of a body is directly proportional to the net external force. So we can write that F force is the F. So we can say that F is proportional to the momentum. It is said that rate of change of momentum. Achha, here it is said rate of change of momentum. That means in physics I said you that whenever we are finding the rate of anything, so that means we have to divide it by t. Means with respect to t you have to find out. So momentum p, when we say that rate of momentum, so that means p by t. Okay, and so we can say, and it is said that the momentum of a body is proportional with respect to time is proportional to the net external force applied on the body and takes place in the direction of the force. So if we want to write this thing in a mathematical expression, so how we will write? We will write that at first we will write that let the momentum is equals to P and since it is said that change in momentum, so we will write that change in momentum is equal to what we will write? Delta P. Okay. Now according to this definition, we can write that F is proportional to delta P by T. Okay, and now you know that whenever we equalize any this proportional sign into equal, so that time we have to give one constant. So this constant we used to give as a K, and now delta P by delta T. Okay, now let it be. Now again you know that F is rate of change of momentum. That means suppose a body, let there be a body whose mass is equals to m and initial velocity is equals to u and final velocity is equals to what? That is v. Initial velocity u and the final velocity v. Then we can write down that rate of change of momentum means we can write down that F is equals to mv minus mu divided by t. How this has came? Mv minus mu. As you know that P is equal to what? Mv, and mv means momentum. And I said that rate of change of momentum. Rate of change of momentum means we can say that change in momentum. So change in momentum means initially if the v was u, means we said that here we said that initial velocity is equals to u and the final velocity v. That means we can say that initial momentum equal to mu, it may be, since u is the initial velocity, and final momentum will be what? momentum is equals to mv. Okay, hence change in momentum will be how much? Change in momentum is equals to what? mv minus mu. Hope you have understood what is this. mv minus mu. So we have written instead of delta p, mv minus mu. Since delta p means change in momentum, we have written here that change in momentum is equals to delta p. So it is mv minus mu. And as we said that it is rate delta t, so that's why we have written here t. So instead of delta t, we will just simply write down t. This delta t is no need to write. Then also it is correct. Delta p by t. Okay, now from here you can see that if we can take m as common, so m v minus u divided by t, f equal to. Now f equal to m v minus u is equals to, you know what? V minus u divided by t, that you know, this is what? Rate of change of acceleration. So we can write for this one a. Since v minus u divided by t is equals to a. So from here we got the f is equals to ma. This is Newton's second law of motion. So we can say that from this second law of motion we are getting the formula of force. And what is the unit of force? Unit of force is equals to, that is Newton. And 1 Newton is equals to 10 to the power 5 dyne. Okay. And in my next video we will read about details about, and in my next video we will read it in details. Okay, so bye bye and thank you very much for watching.